Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save video in CapCut apps. So after you finish editing the video, you are just going to save or export the video you created. Just click on the export button right here in the top right corner. But before you can change for the resolution and then frame rate, just click on the resolution at the top. You can change for the resolution and frame rate. So if you change the resolution and frame rate, it can be changed for this video size. You can see I change frame rate, the file size is changed also rate. Just click on the save icon right here. Alright, and waiting for exporting, and you can click down the top right on your gallery. Here you go. Alright, that's how you can save video in CapCut apps. I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut for the first time. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.